Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got a new E99 Drone Pro. This one is the low budget drone, so let's check it out what we gonna have inside the box and what we can do with this drone. Okay, let's see outside the box. You can see some function display here, speed control. Another thing, you can take time read it out, and Wi-Fi real time. It has the three color: white, black and orange. Okay, another side, those 8 function here on the back. This white, black. Okay, inside the box we will have this bag, and there's nothing else. I keep it there, and inside the bag we get the remote control, and it's some function like this. You have the controller, another function here, and it uses the battery, so the remote control is not rechargeable. It uses the battery 3 of the AA side battery, 1.5 voltage. Okay, and from below here you have the location that you can grab your phone like this, so you can control through your phone like this. Okay, and we got the drone. It's the black color, black, and okay. And the battery on below here, you can press the here and take it out. Okay, here the battery, and you need to charge it with the micro USB. On this package we got the small screwdriver, the micro USB charger cable, protection of the drone wing, can put it here. Okay, you can put it like this, so put it to the lock first and then press it here. Okay, so it will protect the drone wing. Okay, and inside we got the 4 replaceable wing, and user manual. One side in China, another side in English. Okay, how to use it. And another manual. This is how you can connect the app user guide. Okay, so this is all we get: the drone, the wing guide, and the replaceable wing, screwdriver, rechargeable battery, only one, tied to the drone, and the charger cable, and the remote control. Also the bag that you use to put your drone inside. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing this E99 Drone Pro. And for the next video, we are going to show how you can connect and how you use that drone. Okay, now that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing my E99 Drone Pro. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.